Sunday and we're bored and the weather's terrible. We haven't got any parts. We've just sorted the race truck out and we've got 1600 KA 1.6. The shell is absolutely rotten, ready for Knacker's yard. So we pulled the engine out of it. Me, Ian, and Kev, Salo, Ian.
Hiya.
So that's pulled out. That's a 1600 lump. I forgot to start recording. I was going to do it straight away. We've just cut the front end off, pulled the engine out for quick. We have a really, really nice clean shell 1300 one that's too good to scrap. So we're going to convert it, chuck that 1600 engine in it, make it a bit of a sleeper, and then stick it up for sale, and that helps towards funding a bit of the race car. So yeah, watch on. We'll be fetching the other car down next. Thank you. Got to stop for a brew when you've got the engine in. Engine's bolted in, all the mounts are done, it's all converted to the 1600 mount. So we'll have a brew, then we'll plumb the electrics in and we'll see if it'll run off the 1300 ECU. Try it, see you soon. What do you want, Bella? Richard? Sit down, Richard. Right, all the electrics in. We're going to spin it over and check and see if it turns over. The coil pack is disconnected, so we'll see if it'll work. Back to the
Skies, Katie Spencer in Liverpool C says Southern England is being battered.
Hands work.
Don't let it turn you down.
Shooting spree in shopping centre in Australia, Mr. Denman was later shot dead by security forces. Jeremy Hunt urged the US to extradite the woman charged here over the death of the Curry Denman crash. The former foreign secretary's called on presidential dissent and his back. And British actions underway to start bad weather.
I don't like how long things come on there. There might be a different setup on the 1600, Kev. No? Might be a different setup on the 1600. I don't know, they're just cool. So we didn't want to sit there. Because of the frame on there. We'll see anyway. Right, fingers. Let's go for it. See if it starts. Be loud and she'll start. Battery's gone flat. Put some leads on a bit, mate. Go on, push them up. Grab on the lead and push it down. Just tie them up. Come on, give them a little neck. I didn't think it'd fire that easy. So we want a long shaft, Kev, and a short shaft.
Down there, already.
Two end nuts run, wheels off.
There's an end nut on there somewhere. The one that's
Two run, and we'll put the manifold on just to dampen the sound down. Drive shafts on, gear is on, and that'll do because we need a few bits. Right, see if we go again. Might not, back to my flat. Back to flat.
these batteries up here, yeah.
Pull her off, mate. She won't run on her own power. We know she runs anyway, so it's got no auxiliary belt on. So let's see if there's one about. There could be one up there on top of all that stuff.
They'll start with a positive anyway.
Yeah,
You can't get them wrong anyway.
Don't know if this battery's any good, that'll have to go and charge that.
Yeah.
But we know it fires up anyway, so we might as well continue putting stuff back on it. It's not fiery. Right, we'll build it back up, we'll have a battery and charge. Right, so that's what we're going to do, stick a battery and charge, put the exhaust on, put the drive shafts on. Put the gear in, so right, so we had to stop filming today, pardon me, because I had a telephone call and my mum's house in Massam, with all the bad weather, had hit it bad and flooded out. And it's come all through the kitchen, all through the house. So I'm here now, sorting it out. Luckily we managed to stop the flood coming through. We've sandbagged the side to stop it coming through the back. So I'll have to continue doing this 1600 at a later date. I'll show you a few videos how bad it was here now and a few photos. So you'll have to tune in again and watch out for the next post of us getting it finished, getting it up and running. I can't remember what state I left because I just down tools and left it in the garage and just flew all the way from Thirsk up to Massam to sort this out. So I'm here now mopping in my wellies. Right, thank you very much for watching this. Obviously the new one will be coming soon. We're still working on the Renault 25. We're going to have to take the radiator to a radiator place to get recalled because we cannot get one at all for love nor money. Or we can, 400 £400-ish. And then we've got some bits to do on the Fiesta. So please subscribe and help this channel grow. Thank you very much and have a beautiful time.